Hello. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my word. I don't think. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. How do you? Oh, I'm very well. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. How's the day going? Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Oh, my word. What's going on? No, I'm about to get up from bed now. Yeah. I just felt tired, but I'm fine. I'll be all right. Okay. Yeah, I know him. Pastor Batty. Yeah. I know him. Yeah. He's a good pastor. What? He's bought a jet, private jet. Oh, wow. That's good. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. No, he didn't buy it. Okay. How did he get it? Who? You said a politician. Okay. Really? No. You mean the one he was asking them to vote for? Voted for him? Oh, it's his brother. Oh, really? Hmm. Oh, my words. No, I don't know. I didn't even think. I well, I don't know. Okay, but if he bought it for him, he's gonna pay for the pilot and maintain the plane and put. It's a lot, you know. The hangar with at the airport, they're gonna be paying a lot. I hope they can keep it up. So what? Why are you upset? Oh, you think because he asked you guys to? That's the reason behind the encouragement to vote for the guy? I don't know. You think so? You say, why is it that if he wasn't, why is it that he has to now buy him a private jet after the whole thing? Oh, well. Oh, you remember the retreat we had to go to? Yeah, it's coming up, you know. Yeah. So get packing. Get packing. Get packing. We are going. Yeah, go spend some time with the Lord and just stay in his presence and at his feet and just learn a little bit more. Yeah, he's coming up. So don't forget. Don't forget. Pass it on. Pass it to your friends and family. Yeah. No, 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 no. Just a couple of days. You know, I asked you to put the date down, so don't just go check your stuff. Don't even go there. All right. Okay, so let's not think that way. Let's just leave it, let it lie. Okay. Yeah. All right then. No, I'm not going. I'm not going at all. Yeah, I'll be away at that time. Yeah, I definitely will be in Europe. Um, what should no, 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 no. I'll be around, but I'll be away. I'll be away. I'll be around for that, but I'll be away on the other one. Yeah, heading to Australia. Yes, 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 yes. Just for 2 weeks, really. Going to Australia. Yeah. hmm Sydney. Yeah, but I'll go around Melbourne and all the other places again. I'll visit some other cities. Yeah, but mainly Sydney. Okay. Oh well, before I go, I'll let you know. No shopping. No shopping for you. No shopping for you, lady. Yeah, no shopping. But I'll try not to shop for you. Yeah, you know me. Yeah, you know I always do. But anyway, God is the one that just make it happen, isn't it? Praise the Lord. Okay. Well, let me go get ready for the day. Well, yeah, if you let me know what time we can catch up for lunch, that'll be good. Well, okay. No, you're not thinking about it. That would be nice, if you want to come. Check the ticket. I don't know what the ticket is. Sorry, what the tickets are now, but just check if it's something you can come. We go. That'll be fun. That'll be fun. Yeah, that'll be fun. For the three of us, that would be awesome. Yeah. All right then. Okay. Let me know if you find anything that you can afford. Okay. You have a good day. Bye. Ah. Mm. You decide this for me. Is it wrong for a pastor to be given a gift of a jet? Well, the underlining here is that he helped to campaign in his church or maybe somewhere else, and he was given as a gift. Do you think that is why he did it? Or God was just going to bless him with it anyway? Or do you think a pastor should be involved in politics or not? Please leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, click the notification button. When we're on, you will be notified. God bless.